Hello, hello. Welcome to Burlington. Today, I will be showing you clothing, shoes, handbags. Yeah, and more. Alright, I am looking at those two-piece set. If you are all about two-piece set, you want to get good two-piece set, come to Burlington. Yes, here deals. You get good deals to make anyone proud of you, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are priced together for 27.99 cents. Look at the bag. Yeah, I want to see if I can pick the brand. Look at this. Alright. Yeah, and this is another two-piece set. The top is sleeveless. Very cool wide leg pants. They are not lined, okay? Yeah, I don't like to get, and anyway, that's for me. I love very lined pieces. Look, if you don't mind, they have these available in the store, and these are perfect for hot seasons. Look at this. Look at this jumpsuit. I wish this is big. Yeah, I don't know if this will go with me. I love this style. Yeah, I love this style. And this will be super long on me. I love the fact that it's wide leg. Let me see this side. Okay, this one is $14.99. The size, please give me size. I need to pick the size. Okay, and this color, yeah, it's all about the trend. If you're all about the trend, yeah, this is, and with, oh my God, pocket. This is good. I love it. I love it. I love this. I'll come back to that. I like it. This will cinch your waist and give you that flow down there. I like that. And here we have another two-piece set. Look at this. Oh my God. This looks like denim, but it's not. For $29.99. Interesting. Perfect gift to make anyone day. Interesting. Very good. And beside, I am looking at this high-rise tummy control but skirts. The music is so loud today. I'm struggling, to be honest. Okay, that can be very distracting. And here, this one is available in size 4, 6, 10, 12, 14. New in the store. And here we have the short sleeves cropped. This is cropped in a good way. By 9 wears for $15.99. 9 wears, they are very good. Their pieces very good. Okay. And behind is this simple tee. Look, this one is $12.99. It's available in different sizes, same price. And the top we saw, the nowest top, is available in other sizes up to extra large, same price as well. Okay. And here we have this top. Yeah, very light. This is not denim. It looks like it. For $19.99 by this brand, alright? Yeah, available in different sizes, same price. Here we have this sleeveless. I'm loving this shade. This is the color I like. I love this shade when you come to brights, like whites. I love it. Okay, and this one is $12.99, and this was $29.50 by Tommy Hilfiger. Here we are looking at, alright. Okay, shorts are coming out. They are bringing them all out. Okay, they are bringing them all out. Look at this. This one is super. I love high-waisted shorts. If it's not high-waisted, I'm not buying. If you are all about low-rise like this, come to Burlington. They got you covered. This one is $14.99. Alright, this one was $49. It's by 9 wears. The quality is good. Look at the bag. It's available in size 8, size 10, size 12, size 14. And here we have this one by CK. You can pair this with that shirt. Perfect. Okay. $16.99. Interesting. And more tops behind. Look at this one. Interesting. And this one by Tommy. Interesting. Okay. Let me take you to other sections. Let's see what they have here. Come with me. So handbag section. Let's see what they have here. I'm looking at this bag. Interesting combination. Here you have leather and straw. Interesting material. Yeah, this one is $29.99 and this is by Nye West. Then here we have another one by Nye West. This one is good shoulder bag for $17.99. And here we have this straw bag, top handle crossbody by Nye West for $22.99. Another one by Nye West for $22.99. Another one by Nye West, $27.99. Okay, and here we have this one by Guess for $39.99. This one by CK, this is on sale for $39.99. And here is this good backpack. I'm on a hunt for a very good black traveling backpack. That one is $69.99. And then here, this is a crossbody by CK. It feels heavy for $34.99. And here is another one. Yeah, $49.99. Okay. Let's see what they have here. Here we have this by Tommy for $22.99. Here, $24.99. Juicy culture. Here, well-structured crossbody bag for $19.99. More bags down here. Perfect for traveling. Perfect for diaper bags. Okay, yeah, $39.99. And this, look, Steve Madden, $18.99. All right, more bags. Up here are Medingo backpacks. Okay, yeah, and $19.99. You can't beat that. That's a good deal. Here, look what we got here. This one is by CK. I love the different colors on this one. Very good for $59.99. I love this bag. The quality is excellent. Look, this feels so good. It feels really good. The quality is so high. By Karl Lagerfeld. I'm on a hunt for a very good denim bag. This one is $89.99. The quality is so high. And let's see if we can get the value for this. The value is $328. That's a good one. Good clear bag for $16.99. This one, Betty Johnson. This can serve as a good clutch bag, makeup bag. Good to go. Good to go. Here is this one by Juicy Culture. Let me take you to shoe section. Come with me. Okay, to shoe section, let's see. I'm looking at these flats by CK. This one is $26.99. Up here, $14.99. Interesting. Let me show you. Okay, this sandals in size 8. This one is $19.99. More flats, 8.5, $16.99. In black, $16.99. Look what we got here. Steve Madden, $39.99. It's available in different sizes, same price. Look, 19.99 cents. Interesting. All right, let me show you. Look, Michael Kors, 49.99 cents. Look, this got my attention. Look, all about the trend. Very classic, 37.99 cents by CK. Okay, here is another flat by CK. Cool. Tea sandals, jelly sandals for 12.99 cents. All about the classic whites. If you are looking for, classic whites, it's available at Burlington, 1990. Look, if you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. 27. Look at this one, 7.5 by Steve Madden for 29.99 cents. All right, we've seen this. This is the one I showed you in white color. Okay, this one, actually this is cream for 19.99 cents. Yes, let's keep going. Here we have this one. All right, 24.99 cents. Good. And up here we have these flats by DKNY, 27.99 cents. Okay. What else? These are good flats. This is by Aldo. No, these are good, heels for 20. This is 29.99 cents. I love it. All right, I'll end this video here. If you are looking for good shoes, handbag, clothing, come to Burlington. They got you covered. They have lots of new items in the store. Thank you so much for watching. Like, and until next time, bye for now.